Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Rahul. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay guys, welcome to today's video. So for today, I have been wanting to do like a fashion video, either like an outfits video or like a lookbook video since such a long time, but we have nowhere to go. So I thought, why not share with you guys chilled, relaxed outfits that you can wear at home and you'll still feel a little bit dressed up. I've said this before, but as much as I've lived in my PJs since this whole lockdown, dressing up once in a while and from now on and just getting ready for the day, I feel can literally cheer you up. All the outfits are going to be super wearable, and all the items also that I'm going to be showing, I'm pretty sure you will have something similar in your closet. So if you're excited to see this further, hit the like button and also subscribe down below and turn the bell notifications on so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, I guess I'm just gonna jump straight up into the outfits. Okay, for the first outfit, we have flowy, simple pattern dresses. Now, the reason I love these and I thought that these were a great option is because first of all, they're going to be so comfortable at home and yet they're going to give you a pretty dressed up feel. The best part is that you literally have to wear no accessories with this. On its own, I feel like it just looks so great. My second option would be just giving your basics a little bit of upgrade. So I took this basic black tank top with shorts and I found this really fancy over-the-top shrug which I've never actually worn. So I thought that just why not upgrade my basics wearing this shrug, and again it's a pretty breezy summer outfit but yet can brighten up. You can go ahead and further add gold earrings or like any light jewelry that you like and makes you feel happy. The third outfit is again just basics with a twist. So here I've just taken a rule that if I have a loose jogger, then I'll just be taking a tighter fitted top. Now for my hair, I wanted to share with you guys a simple hairstyle that I did. I took my hair in a lower ponytail, and just as I was about to tie the third or final knot, I basically only took half of my hair out of it. So it kind of formed a low half up half down hairstyle. Now this is something not for everyone, but a little colorful cheery dress I think can be a really good option. And in case you aren't into this fancy evening dress which I've just casually worn at home, then I have this yellow sporty one with an option, and just to casual it up a little bit more, I took this pink top that I had and tied it up over. Now this not only gave it a very edgy and casual look, but the color blocking statement also makes it a really good outfit option. And here I've just tied the top in a different way with the knots at the back, and this kind of gave it a very cool casual blazer feel which I was really happy with. Now this outfit is probably my most used outfit. A black tee is something that I've literally lived in, and just when you want to amp things up a little bit with a basic black tee, you can add statement lowers. I had this really nice flowy again statement pants, and I just love how I feel. This is so comfortable. It literally feels like I'm in my PJs, but again it looks pretty good and can make you look a little bit more put together. Now the last thing is denims with a twist. I know, I'm not going to expect anyone to be wearing denims at home, but still, in case you do, what you can do is find casual mom jeans, and then instead of a graphic tee, just maybe add a neon colored top. To amplify this, I added a statement gold bracelet and just a little hint of jewelry here. And that's it. I was good to go, ready for the day. I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts, comments, feedback, any other video suggestions you may have, and any other feedback down in the comments box. And I shall see you guys very soon with another video.